Hello everyone, if Arc is crashing on your computer, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix Arc from crashing on your computer easily. So I'm going to show you both ways of how you can fix it from crashing on an AMD or an NVIDIA card. So first off, I'll show you the AMD way. You're going to right click on your desktop, go into AMD software, you're going to go into performance, you're going to go into tuning, and here you're going to set this to default. Just set it to default here. And if you're on an NVIDIA card, what you're going to do is you're going to go to your desktop, you're going to right click on your desktop, open up NVIDIA control panel. And once you're in it, you're going to go into help and then make sure that you enable debug mode. So just take it on. And after that, you're going to go ahead and restart your computer. And once you're done with the restart, now when you try to play Arc you'll see that you will not crash anymore. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you in my next video. Peace.